Alright, so here's the first view. We have to take off the skid plate here. There's some hangers right there and right there. I think they're either 13 or ½ inch. And then there's some fuel tank hangers there that we'll have to pull off. I think the bolt is going to be yeah, it's up there if you can see it. I think it's gonna be maybe a 15 is my guess. So yeah, so we'll get this skid plate off and open it up and see a little bit more, but hopefully it's not too big of an issue. We'll see.